Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and today I've got 3 awesome router tools for your small workshop. Let's check them out. Now here we have Milwaukee's latest compact router. Now it runs on their cordless 18-volt system, so it's got plenty of power. This motor is a 1 1/4 horse, so definitely plenty of power for any of your small jobs that you might have. A few things I really like about it are this base that it comes with. It's easy to remove with this push-a button here, and then once it's on, you can have this micro adjustment. You can really fine-tune this thing. It makes it really easy to get precisely where you need in the depth of the router bit. Another really cool thing is this spindle lock here. Makes changing your router bits a breeze. Really simple. It's also got a variable speed control, which means you can really dial in your cut. Now for $180 you'll get the tool only, but it does come with a few things. This base plate with a dust port here and a really nice edge guide. Find them at Home Depot or online. Remember, that's Milwaukee's M18 Fuel Compact Router. Here we have a convertible benchtop router table by Rockler. Now this is a really great table for anyone who's in a small shop or just needs a little bit more portability with their router table. I really like it because you can use it in many different ways. First, right on top of your bench or any work surface. It's got these really great non-slip feet so your router table won't move around. But you can also screw it down right to your workbench or clamp it down using these little notches here in the feet. Now if you want to mount it to a wall, you can do that too. It mounts right up to a wall and you can use it right there as a table surface. But if you're not using it, you can fold it down nice and flat against the wall, taking up very little space. It's also really portable. This thing folds up really easily with these quick release pins here. And you can take it, put it in your truck, take it to the job site. Really versatile. Now another thing I really like about this is that it comes with this base plate here. You can attach it right to your router, use it in the table, or you can pull it out of your router and use that base plate for the table as a base plate for your router, just in general. So it can come with a mid-size router plate or a trim-size router plate. You can choose for whichever router you have. It's got a really nice adjustable fence, also a 3/4 inch miter track, and of course, it needs a dust port for easy dust extraction. This router table costs $200 at Rockler. You can find it at their stores or online. Remember, that's Rockler's convertible benchtop router table. Here we have Bissell's Garage Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. Now if you're going to be making router chips with the router table, you're going to need something to pick it up, and this is a great option for that. What I really like about it is that it's wall mountable so that you don't have to roll around a vacuum cleaner to get wherever you need to go, but it comes with a long 32-foot hose to get into your nooks and crannies of your garage or shop, to pick up wood chips, or to detail your car. It comes with lots of attachments to do that with, and it is also a wet vacuum, so if you've got a spill or you want to suck up that slushy snow, the canister there can handle that. It comes with LED indicators to tell you when the canister's full, and because it's wall mountable, it's really easy to empty. Flip the handles, dump it in the garbage, put it back on. Now, it costs about $175, and I think it's a great deal. You can find them online. Now remember, that's the Bissell Garage Pro Wet Dry Vacuum Cleaner. So there you have it, 3 great router accessories to outfit your small workshop or garage. The Milwaukee Compact Router, the Rockler Convertible Benchtop Table, and the Bissell Garage Pro Wet Vac. We'll see you again next time on Stuff We Love.